Hello Vanshika, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. So we have been given an individual assignment. In that we have to ask some questions related to mental health and well-being among the youth in India. And if you are not comfortable answering any of the questions, you can say no.
Okay.
So, what kind of mental or emotional stress have you experienced in joining the PGDM program?
The mental stress is like the load is it's very hectic.
Okay.
So lot of assignments with all the like as I'm in the first year, the SIP pressure and the peer pressures which is going on. So yeah, that's the mental stress that I am going on.
Okay. So, what are the major source of stress for you? I mean, the family pressure or the friends, I mean, the peer pressure, like do, uh, when we face in our projects and all,
Mm-hmm.
or the finance related problem or the SIP problem
Yeah.
that we are
So
in.
first and it's basically the academic pressure is there. Like we have to adhere with the deadlines.
Yeah.
The strict deadlines are there, and with the peer pressure is also there. You have to maintain that CGPA and all. And touchwood family pressure is not there that much, but still internal satisfaction is there. Ki I have to prove myself. I have to do my best. So yeah, and that overthinks in my mind. So I keep consistently things about that thing, and so yeah, that's the thing.
So, how you coping up with the, I mean, overthinking part?
To be very honest, in the second year, what I am is go with the flow. Don't try to stress. Don't stress. Don't take stress a lot of things because if I'll take, nothing will happen.
Yeah.
Like what I am inculcating right now is like whatever I have to do, I have like maintain a diary. In the second trimester, I have started beginning.
Okay.
So I just write down what are the daily tasks and just check box all that. It's done.
Okay.
So it gives me like little bit of I know it's a school thing.
Things are done.
Things are done. So it gives me internal satisfaction also. Ki yeah, okay then the work is completed now. I should go ahead or move forward.
Okay. So, how do competition, performance pressure, or comparison with peers affect your mental well-being? Does that affect your mental
Yeah,
well-being?
it does. I don't, but my surrounding, my peer pressure is very good. Like they all are very good in studies.
In a positive way.
In a positive way. They motivate me, I motivate them. If they don't understand something or if they lack in something, I try to help them with of whatever I have, and same they do for me.
Okay. So, have you ever felt anxious, overwhelmed, or emotionally exhausted during this course?
Yeah, very much.
Okay. Can you explain any of the point where you get, I mean, anxious, like while presentation or something?
Uh, Recently during the Gravity, we as a group participated in the brand alchemy.
Okay.
So we were given a company and we used to reposition it.
Okay.
And at that moment of time, everybody, all our other groups were seniors. So I got just little bit nervous and my legs were shivering at that moment. So I thought ki let's just I don't want to give it. Let's just end this. But then I managed कि no. अब अगर नहीं करेंगे तो कुछ ही नहीं होने वाला है. So I just pushed myself to go for that. So yeah, even I would really want to share that even during the presentation also, my legs were shivering so much. I was like, but I didn't fumble.
Okay.
Touch wood. And even the sir was very like Sumit sir was there.
Okay.
He made us very comfortable and thank God and we won it and we represented
Nice.
Jaipuri during the Gravity.
Nice. So, have you or your peers ever approached a counselor or faculty member or senior for emotional support?
Not really for the emotional support. Even I have approached myself to our faculty members, like for the guidance and all. So yeah, that's it. Like for the like during a bit like we have to choose our streams and all. Like specializations. So I went to a couple of teachers whom I think I'm very comfortable with. So they guided me ki what should I take basis on my academics and all my profile because I have studied with them, so they know me better. So just for the guidance, yeah. Not but as a counselor, but just for the academic direction and all.
So, are you aware of any mental health support system provided by the institute?
Yeah, we do have our counselor, which is on the weekly basis.
Yeah.
So it's provided by the council. Like whenever you have to any stress, any problem that you have to share, it's I think a host. It's in the counseling room, so we can go and approach them. And I think my friend, I have listened, but my one of my friend approached to him,
Okay.
and sh- and
What do you think? I mean, she's good or not?
she I personally haven't never interacted with her, but what he said was she was nice. She made her comfortable, she made him comfortable. And yeah, I didn't ask much about that
Okay.
because it's her personal issue, so I didn't want to intervene in this.
Okay. So, what role do peer group or batchmates play in helping you cope with the stress?
It does a lot of things. It's a very important part of a life, because in PGDM everything it's so hectic. You have to manage your committee, extracurriculars, co-curriculars, and then academics, and that placement and SIP pressure. My friends are very well good. Touchwood, they are very good.
Okay.
They all support me. Like when I have my emotional breakdown, they calm me down. They help me down. Ki calm down yourself. Don't need to like frustrate, because I get frustrated a lot,
Okay.
and in a pinch of time I get frustrated. I like so they calm me down. They compose me. So yeah, I think they are the major part of my life during the PGDM journey.
So, do academic schedule or evaluation system leave enough space for mental well-being?
Uh, it depends upon the person to person how he or she manages its time and all.
So, for you, is there? I mean,
Yeah,
any?
if we can comfortably, we can manage our personal time, me time, well-being time, and with the academic, it is we can manage that. And personally, I can manage that.
So, who do you think is responsible for supporting student mental health? I mean, family or
I think either right now in that place, it's my friends group.
okay?
My friends are the major part in my life. Like,
Do call your parents when you're not feeling good?
yes, I do. Like recently, I got sick. And at that moment, I don't know what happened to me, but I was constantly on calls. Literally, in the 24 hours, I was on call for almost 6 7 hours. I don't know what happened to me. I just got
So, calling
exhausted.
all your family or your friends also?
Calling my family first, because my friends are also busy. Like in my hometown friends, they were busy because they were also going with their exams and all, so I don't want to bother them. So I called my parents, but I don't know what happened. I think that was the first time I experienced that. But yeah, so I called them. They मतलब उनसे बात करने के बाद I felt relaxed and all. So yeah.
Okay. So, what role should business school play in promoting mental health well-being among the student? Are you aware of any events they are providing?
Like
They're
recently,
conducting, I mean,
like I remember I didn't join that, but recently HR club, that dance event, a group dance event where our dance, I don't know what, a ma'am came and they all did a dance and a, like exercise
Zumba.
Zumba dance, and Zumba exercises are also organized by the college.
Have you heard about the Sukoon committee?
Yeah, I do.
So, what do you think? They are doing well in the, I mean, this part, mental health part?
Yeah, they are. I am not really into that.
Okay.
मतलब I haven't joined any event yet, but yeah, it's very good. My friend is there.
Okay. So, what role should society, employer, or policymaker play in addressing your mental health issues?
First of all, I think mental health is such a big problem that people don't acknowledge that. They take it as a sideline only. So acknowledging that yes, it is a serious issue. I think that's the main issue, because every like any physical issue, yeah, any like is given more important than any mental. Like if a person is going with a depression or like an emotional or anything breakdown is, I don't think it is given that much of importance in that time, in this time. So yeah, acknowledging that and really working towards that would be a main thing that would be done.
Thank you so much for your time.
And thank you so much.
Yeah.